Hi folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how you can convert slow motion videos into normal speed videos. Just in case you seem to be a bit curious to know how a slow motion videos look like as a regular speed videos, then this tip is for you. So let's see how it works. First off, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get started, all you have to do is launch Photos app on your device, and then you have to tap on Albums tab at the bottom, and after that you have to scroll down and select Slow Motion. And then you have to select the video that you want to convert into normal speed video. And after that you have to tap on Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Now you should see a slider at the bottom with vertical lines. The vertical lines placed at the beginning and end represent normal speed, while the vertical lines placed in the middle represent slow speed. Now all you have to do is simply join the slider. Okay, simply join them tightly, so that they will be turned into a normal speed video. Once you have done it, make sure to tap on Done at the bottom right corner of the screen to confirm the change. That's pretty much it. That's how you can convert a slow motion video into a normal speed video on your iPhone and iPad. It is worth noting that if you ever want to revert the change, all you have to do is simply open this video again, and then you have to tap on Edit button at the top right corner of the screen, and then you have to tap on Revert option at the bottom right corner, and then you have to select Revert to Original. Right? So that's the way it works. I hope you have found this video pretty helpful. If yes, then do like it and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.